Hello, this is Group 3. We are live from San Diego, Idaho, doing lesson 11, doing the group quiz.
Have you ever thought about being a news anchor?
And change your name to Ron Burgundy.
I might have the hair for it. That's the only thing.
Yeah, dude, that's some nice hair.
I just cut it the way my girlfriend says to. Alright. So this section is basically the gist of this section that we're acting like we don't have the true standard deviation. I think that's what it is. Basically, we're assuming we don't have the true standard deviation. We have to use these other values to kind of calculate it. So we get this t-score instead of a z.
Yeah.
Score 3.
All right, so number 3.
Oh, what?
What? What were you saying?
I was just reading question 3. And previously, we had assumed that the population standard deviation was known. In this lesson, we are making a different assumption about the standard deviation. What has changed?
We assume sigma is unknown.
Yeah, it's weird to you guys.
Yeah.
What do I?
So number 4, is sigma known? No, right?
Number 4, no.
Cool. What is t equal again?
So t, it's the same thing as
it's the mean minus the standard deviation divided by.
So it's
right?
x minus the average over s over the square root of n.
Say the top part again.
X minus the u looking thing divided by s divided by square root of n.
Oh, that's right.
So it's the same thing as the z-score, but now we just change t to z to t.
Okay. So that would be 8, right? Minus 11.
Yeah.
Divided by 6 divided by the square root of 9.
I got 1/2.
I need to invest in a graphing calculator. I just have my 4-function phone, and so I have to write down, like, I can't do the whole problem.
Oh, yeah, the square root on your phone is not fun.
No. I guess Maddie has one. I can borrow hers.
What is x? So 98.22, and so let's see if you get the same thing as me on 7, Matt.
As on 7.
Yeah. Oh, just kidding. I meant number 8.
Okay, so let's see. X.
X is 98.2.
Right, 98.22 minus 98.6 by 0.922 divided by the square root of n. Where's it N? I don't see an N.
It's
Oh.
20. Oh, there's 20 numbers.
Oh, there's 20. Okay. Yeah, I got negative actually.
That's what I got.
1.843.
Yeah. So
And
if
then,
our p-value is bigger than our a, what happens?
so wait, did you say the P is bigger than the A?
Is like 0.03.
So if the P value is less than null, but is our P value greater?
So p is 0.03 and then a is 0. Is it 1 or 5? 5. So our a is bigger.
A is bigger. Yeah, so we reject the null hypothesis. I think it's we reject the null hypothesis.
All right. Number 11. What is the p value?
All right, so for the P value, hey, what did you get, Aaron?
For the average, for all that?
What did you get?
40.047.
0.047?
40.047.
Okay, sorry, I think there's something wrong with my speaker.
Oh, you're good. So p value.
And what did you get for the? Okay, it's minus 40. What did you get for the standard deviation?
Oh, we need to do that, huh? So, equals S. Uh, 36.356.
0.3 what?
36.356.
Is there 20? I think there's 20 again.
21.
Okay.
What'd you get for the p-value?
We're not there yet. Did you get a z-score of 0.006?
Yeah.
It's about to be huge.
Makes me
So-
think we did something wrong.
Well, if you look at the numbers, they're hugely so big. Like the gap, like there's a 2, there's 157. So it doesn't surprise me that the standard deviation is that big. So would the p-value be 49.8?
Yeah, let me. I'm not sure if I did this wrong. It's 0.006.
Yeah.
That sounds right.
But
Because the standard deviation could be huge.
where do you type that in? I thought we were supposed to type it in. Or is that
Oh,
what
I
we
type it in on
which side?
right side. Because it's positive. So is this one going to be failed to reject?
If it's greater, if the p-value is greater than a, then you fail to reject it. If it isn't greater than a, then you reject it.
So we're failing to reject. Because it's way bigger than A.
Okay.
All right, you decide to try another alternative hypothesis. This time you use U is less than 40, and you keep the same level of significance. Did the p-value increase or decrease? Doesn't it say the same?
I would
Yeah.
think so, but
Oh, no, I think it increases. Because you take away all the times that are less than 40. So if you take away all the small numbers, then it just gets bigger, yeah?
I think so.
What decision do you make? Fail to reject?
Yep.
Now construct a 95% confidence interval. So confidence interval is at 1.96.
What did you say it was? 1 point something?
9.6.
96. I'm not sure what we use for our stuff. So we use 40 for our point. What do we use for our standard deviation?
36.
What was it? 36.356.
Yeah.
And then square root of 21.
Yes.
1.96. So 15.55. So 20.
Okay.
Now
Well,
you got the other one?
so the upper confidence, I think, so if it's 40, then I think the upper confidence would be whatever the
I got 65.55.
65.55. So
Because
it's adds
did
14.
you get, oh, that should be 55. Did you get 15.55 for your margin of error?
Yeah.
So you got 55.55 and 24.45?
For the lower?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Should I end the broadcast? That's the last question.
Yeah, sounds good.
Did someone mute Mason?
He